We are from Group 6. We are here in front of you to share the scientific discoveries and technological advancement in modern era. As we start our presentation, let us start a short scenario.
In this scenario, Jimmy was playing his mobile phone. He was lost in the virtual reality game, his finger dancing across his mobile phone. His younger brother, Andre, watched with a mixture of confusion.
Oh, Jimmer, what's that thing you play?
Oh, it's a mobile phone, bro, where you can play anything what you want to play.
Oh, like magic?
Yes, not exactly magic, bro, but pretty close. It's all thanks to technology you can play normally.
Like what? I don't really understand. Explain me more.
Okay, let me explain you more how the scientists discovered technology.
So, today's modern world technology is advancing day by day, due to which the life of human being has become very easier. Technology refers to tools, machines, and devices that is used in our daily lives. So now, come with me and explore the history of technological and advancement and discoveries in modern world. So now, here's our timeline about the history of scientific discoveries and technological advancement in modern era. First, let me start in an electric vacuum cleaner. This in year 1900. This vacuum cleaner developed the first electrical vacuum cleaner, revolutionized household cleaning. It makes the household efficient and convenient. The impact of this vacuum cleaner is in the society is very sanction of ease of use made cleaning inefficient and convenient. The inventor of this vacuum cleaners is Sir Bert Cecil Watt. And now, the next is Wright Brothers Flight in 1903. So now, the success of flight by Wright Brothers marked a significant breakthrough in transportation, leading to the age of aviation and transforming human exploration. As we all know, the impact of this transportation help us to go to another country so that we can interconnect to the other people.
And the third invention is air conditioner in 1906. The inventor of air conditioner is Willis Carrier. The impact of the air conditioner transformed living and working conditions in the hot climates, enhancing comfort and productivity.
The fourth invention was Model T automobile introduced by Henry Ford. Henry Ford's introduction of the mass-produced Model T revolutionized transportation and manufacturing, making automobiles more accessible to the masses. The rise of the automobile industry created numerous jobs not only in manufacturing but also in related sectors such as road constructions and oil production. The fifth invention was discovery of penicillin, introduced by Alexander Fleming. So, Alexander Fleming's discovery of penicillin, the first antibiotic, revolutionized medicine by introducing a powerful tool to combat bacterial infection. There are some impact on the society and the economy. By reducing the burden of disease, penicillin helped to lower healthcare costs and allow individuals to lead healthier, more productive lives. Its discovery paved the way for the development of their antibiotics and advanced medical materials.
Sixth invention in the year 1947 is transistor invention. The invention of the transistor paved the way for the miniaturization of electronics, leading to the computer age and the digital revolution by John Bardeen, Walter Wheaton, and William Shockley. The impact of transistor invention to the society of electronics has been immense, leading to the development of smaller, cheaper, and more efficient electronic devices. The next invention, the year of 1971 to 1981, is computer revolution. Developments like the microprocessor and the IBM PS revolutionized computing, making computers more accessible and integral to modern life by William C. Lowe and Philip John Eastridge. This invention has reshaped society by revolutionizing communication, education, healthcare, productivity, and globalization. While bringing immense benefits, it has also presented challenges that need to be addressed to ensure a balanced and sustainable integration of technology in our lives.
And the seventh invention is, in 1989, invention of the World Wide Web. Who invented is Tim Berners-Lee. The invention of the World Wide Web transformed communication, information, sharing, and commerce, shaping the modern digital and landscape. The impact of World Wide Web has improved society by providing easy access to information, enhancing communication, supporting education, enabling online shopping, and connecting people worldwide. And in 2007, the revolution of the smartphone, who created is Apple CEO Steve Jobs. The release of the first iPhone revolutionized mobile technology, ushering in the era of smartphones and mobile connectivity. And the impact of the society of it is smartphone society includes easier communication, quick information access, changes in social interaction, increased productivity, the new ways to enjoy entertainment and shop.
In 2017, Professor Jennifer Doudna and Emmanuel Carpenter discovered CRISPR-Cas gene editing. The requirement of CRISPR-Cas gene editing technology offers unprecedented potential to treating genetic diseases and engineering new therapies. Impact of this discovery is from agricultural improvements. The technology has been applied to create genetically modified crops and improve material content. In the COVID-19 pandemic, an mRNA vaccine discovered by Kathleen Carrico, PhD, and Joe Weissman. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated the development of mRNA vaccines, showcasing the power of scientific innovation in addressing the global health crisis. The impact of this discovery is improved public health, reduction in disease risk and mortality state, economic savings, lower healthcare costs, and reduced productivity losses, increased life, longer, healthier lives due to disease prevention.
In year 2023, NASA launched James Webb Space Telescope promises and unprecedented views in early universe, offering new insights into cosmic evolution. So the impact of this invention is profound impact society is innovative observation and transform our understanding about the universe. So that's it. So these are the history of scientific discovery, technological advancement in modern era. That's all.